Morning fellas, Ben back again on another video. And this time something very important, very important is the oil level. So the bike has just come back after a 1,300 kilometer trip, and yeah, this is the condition of the motorcycle. And that is the oil level that you get to see. Slightly above the top mark or at the top mark, and of course this is not a proper level surface. Slight bit of a decline onto the rear side of the motorcycle, but yeah, I know that the oil level was slightly above the top mark, just on the line, or just maybe a tad above on level surface. So yeah, one thing of note, very important, is that if you are going to be gone on a 1,500 kilometer trip or more, I'm repeating, if you are going to be gone on a 1,500 kilometer trip or more, you should know that your motorcycle, your engine will burn a bit of oil. I am guessing the Himalayan's engine burns about 100 to 150, at times 200 mLs of oil every 1,000 kilometers. So remember that if you are going to be gone on a 1,500 kilometer trip, you're looking at 150 milliliters of oil that is going to be burnt. The engine will consume oil. Every engine consumes oil. The rate differs. So this particular engine, I'm not very sure about the new Himalayan 2021 models, but as far as my engine is concerned, or any BS4 engine is concerned, the rate of oil consumption is about 100 to 150 milliliters every 1,500 kilometers. So 1,300 kilometers later, that is my oil level. Now, the point of making this video is for me to let you guys know that instead of carrying an oil can with you, that is an oil can with some oil, just so that you can top up during the trip, what you can do is you can top it up to the top mark before you leave on the trip. So this is only if you're going to be doing a 1,500 kilometer trip and not more. Slightly more, maybe 1,500 to 2,000 at the most, not more than that. What you could do is you could top up the oil level to the top of the window on level ground, cold engine. If this is how it shows, then it is the right oil level. What you can do is you can top it up to the top. That way you will be adding about 150 to 200 milliliters to get it to the top mark, and then be gone on the trip. You don't have to worry about topping it up. You will at the most burn 200 milliliters of oil. By the time you come back home, the oil level will be right at the top of the right mark, the top mark. So now, is it a healthy thing to do? Nope. But is it going to cause problems? No, again. If you are going to be on a trip where you will not be using a lot of erratic throttle, you will not be operating the throttle in this fashion, quick bursts of throttle, and you are not going to be doing any of that, but you're just going to be cruising on the highway with, linear or very progressive, clean throttle movements. That is nothing to do with erratic throttle movements. You know that on the highway you will be only doing this, and you will also not be pushing it to the rev limiter, anything between 3,000 to 5,500 RPMs, and it's going to be a beautiful progressive or linear movement, throttle movement, nothing too erratic. Then you can easily top it up to the top of the window and be gone without worrying about higher oil levels in the transmission. That's definitely not going to be a bother. But if you're going to be doing a lot of off-road riding, and if you're going to be constantly engaging the throttle in that fashion, do not do it. Carry an oil can with you, and that is what you're supposed to do. Top it up as and when required. So that was a quick, short tip, but very important tip for you to understand that you don't have to carry an oil can. All you need to do is just top it up to the top and be gone on the trip. Come back home 1,500 kilometers later. You can come and inspect your oil window and top it up with the necessary amount of oil. So that was the whole point of the video. Quick, easy tip which will go a long way. Um, if you guys are used to doing this, that is, if you guys are used to carrying an oil can with you, forget it. 1500 kilometers or 2000 kilometers at the most. You don't have to worry about an oil can. All you need to do is just top it up to the top of the window and then be gone. Smooth, linear throttle operations, and you don't have to worry about a thing. So that would be it. If this video helped, it helped. And I shall see you guys on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.